I'll introduce you first, Lorato, because you might be new to this, or you might not be familiar with the research lab as like a thing. But Lorato's basically started working with us for our outreach tasks. So she's helping us find new potential clients and set up meetings for our software business. But yeah, if Laura, if you want to introduce yourself shortly, and then the others can do so the same.
Hi everyone, I'm Lorato. I'm from South Africa. Nice to meet you all. I'm currently studying at UNISA. It's actually the University of South Africa. And I'm studying economic management. I'm just doing a higher certificate because I just wanted to kind of introduce myself to economics and understand economics and numbers more. I'm not really, I don't have a research topic as
Yeah.
Timmy did mention. But if answering the last question, the most interesting research project I've worked on in my life was researching uh, basic research because where I'm from in South Africa, it's a very racist place. So I researched like race dynamics and just basically the origins of race itself.
Mm.
And I did like wrote papers about it for Marx. So I guess that's worth talking about it in this context. Yeah, and
Nice,
that's me.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, Laura. Thank you. Who would like to go first to introduce themselves?
I can go first.
Sure, great.
Yeah, so my name is Saksham, and I'm currently studying at the University of Maryland College Park. I was earlier pursuing computer science and machine learning, but I'm now pursuing social data science because I have worked a lot with AI systems and now I'm more interested in AI systems that can understand, process, and simulate human behavior better. So I'm looking at that intersection now. My research topic is distributed state consistency and cost-aware orchestration for multi-agentic systems, because 2026 is the time when we are going deeper into multi-agentic systems that can work collaboratively over like several hours or days or months to perform more complicated tasks for automating jobs. And I think that there's a lot of issues like race conditions, memory explosions, hallucinations in these multi-agentic systems that can be solved. And there are a lot of interesting insights in the place that I'm working at, the research lab, in terms of psychology and biological concepts that can be used to solve this. The most interesting research project, well, I would say that this project that I'm working on is probably going to be the most interesting. But before this, I have actually worked on two research projects, and one of them was basically about building a system in which, like, we can uh, understand human synchrony, the sentiment synchrony, and we were basically able to show that using the sentiment and the words of a mother or a child in a conversation, you can actually pretty much train a machine learning model to predict the sentiment of the next speaker. And that was a pretty big thing because earlier it would take longitudinal studies of like more than 5 years to see these effects, but now we were able to do that within like just a 2 to 2.5 minute conversational task, and we did not need any EEG sensors or other specialized equipment. We were able to do it from just naturalized conversations. So that was a pretty interesting thing, and it has a lot of applications in terms of interventions for preventing social anxiety and other negative social behaviors in children as they grow up. So yeah, that's me.
Great. Nice to meet you, Saksham. Obviously, we met before, but sounds great. Sounds great. You would like to go next?
I can go next.
Hello.
Oh,
Who is
yeah.
the next? Can I?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you can go, Joel.
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Joël. I'm from London in the UK. Um, Before I did my undergraduate degree in maths, I took a year out to work, and now I'm doing my master's in artificial intelligence at the University of Surrey. And yeah, and my research topic is I'm looking at Bayesian compression for structural discovery, which is basically the main problem is that, long token strings in prompts can cost a lot from a business perspective, and it requires a lot of compute power. So I'm looking at, and prompt engineering at the moment is kind of, there's no actual structure to it. It's kind of played by ear. So what I'm looking to do is use Bayesian optimization to search a search space for the best prompt structures. And what I'm going to do is model the relationship between the inputs of an LLM, the inputs of a prompt to the LLM output, and map this all to a search space and use some kind of clustering to identify different features of prompts that will help to compress it while retaining the actual, the actual a good result from it. And the most interesting research project is probably my undergraduate dissertation, where I made a financial advice chatbot. And it kind of opened my eyes, because my undergraduate was maths. This is the first time I really got into tech, and it kind of opened my eyes to the power of tech and how it can, people can from underrepresented backgrounds can have access to, like financial advice in the palm of their hands, and it's tailored to them as well.
Yeah, sounds great. Sounds great. I really like how you kind of made that switch from maths, studying maths, pure maths, and then decided to apply it in the field of AI. It's quite like myself, so that's nice. It's not good to hear.
Yeah.
Syed, you wanted to go as well at the same time?
Hi, how are you all? My name is Syed Haider, and I'm from Pakistan, and right now I'm here in the United Kingdom. If you are, if first of all, I'll just explain about my education. I have done my bachelor's in artificial intelligence from Pakistan, and then I came here to study my master's. I have done my master's in the field of robotics and AI. Basically, it is the robotics, masters in robotics, but my major was in this whole masters was AI. I have done the AI research project as a final year project of the masters, and basically that project was the baby AI that I presented here. And in the last my research topic is similar, the baby AI, the features of the baby AI. I just want to connect the biological procedure I followed in my baby AI. I will just copy all of the equations and the formulas I derived during my research, take that and will attach with the generative AI and the large language models to to give the chat bots or the chat models an actual personality and this kind of stuff. And in the last, and I'm just watching the last question, the most interesting research project you have worked in your life. It was the baby AI. Yes, surely it was the baby AI, but I have a lot of best projects to do in the future. I have ideas about a lot of projects to do in the future, but it will. I'll just explain those kind of projects with the time, not right now. So
Of course.
this was my overall introduction. And if you are asking about my interest, so my interest basically lies within the emerging technologies, and I'm heavily rely on the mathematics. I just want to be to derive the equations. If it is not available, I'll just derive it by myself. So I'm basically a mathematician, kind of an AI engineer or the researcher.
Right. Sounds good. Thank you, Syed. That is all for introductions. But yeah, it's great to meet you all in a group setting. I'll go on to the next slide, which is about the program. It's a 3-month program. Sessions